Take my body home, let me out tonight.